know if you guys can hear me or not because it's so windy out here, but I guess you could tell the weather still hasn't decided to clear up. It's still quite, like, it's not freezing, but it's a little warmer than it's been. Definitely still cloudy. And big weather forecast, very, very flooded. Like the roads aren't flooded or anything, but still, it's not good flooding, I'll tell you that. But then again, when is flooding good? Sorry if it's not windy and I'm talking too loud. I don't know. It's flooding season. Look at that hallway. Shall we walk out a little further? I think so. I want to show this is cold water though. I'll admit this is freezing. The air is not too bad, but the water's freezing. Holy crap! Holy crap! Holy That was a big splash. That splashed big time, probably because I was standing on it. That splashed big time. That was cool. That was cool. And I got some of the camera too. My bad. The camera's fine, but it got a little wet. Haha, it's cold. It's cold. One of our boardwalk sections that came off. Lovely, huh? Should be over there, but it's over here. Along with the big tree to help block the three-wheeler path. So. It's so high up now. Oh no. Oh. I don't even know what I'm doing there. Great though. Just great. You little stalker dog, you just love to follow me everywhere, don't you? Don't you? You just love to follow me everywhere. Don't sniff me, don't sniff me. Say hi to the camera, buddy. Buddy, you're okay. You're okay, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Yeah. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. Teddy bear. You're so cute, teddy bear. That teddy bear is awesome. Awesome teddy bear. Awesome. Awesome teddy bear. Yeah. So yeah, that flood's insane, huh? Hey. Do not puke. You understand me? Do not puke. CTFXC for the win. Am I right? Come on. Come on. Terabyte, Flutterbright, CTFXC, and Terabyte all. CTFXC, Terabyte, and the Shade Tarts for the win. Come on. Come on. I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I'll stop being weird. I'm just retarded. I'll go. I'm sorry. Oh, one more thing. Day 20 is coming up, so I'm gonna start looking to, I know it's not a big milestone, it's not awesome, but I still kinda like 20 days straight of non-stop vlogs. It's not a big milestone, but I'm gonna be looking to make a way better intro and outro for my vlogs. Maybe even a better song, and even a better intro for the way like I introduce what day it is, like day number, and even the dates of the vlog inside the vlogs. I know that's not much, but still, I'm sorry. I think I'm just gonna start doing that soon. And if some of you want to help me, maybe, like if you're good at editing, or you're just a beginner but you want to still try, that's fine. Let me know in the comments below and we'll help you. Sorry, I don't really have an email set up yet, so I can't really tell you to email me, but just tell me in the comments and I'll tell you. Like, I have an email, but I'll get an email set up for you guys to email. Well, my camera's battery's gonna die, so I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Wir sehen uns später. Auf Wiedersehen.